नमस्कार, मैं तुलसी जोशी फ्रॉम पब्लिक न्यूज़। आप सभी का स्वागत है। और आज हम यहाँ पर एकत्रित हुए, जैसा कि आप बैकग्राउंड में देख सकते हैं। आज टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट, दिल्ली टूरिज्म ने एक प्रोग्राम होस्ट किया था, काइंड ऑफ अ कंक्लेव, जिसके अंदर सभी स्टेक होल्डर्स को बुलाया था। कैसे हम दिल्ली टूरिज्म को आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं, तो उसमें एन नंबर ऑफ आइडियाज़ पीपल हैज़ गिवन, चाहे वो स्टेक होल्डर था तो, या जो टूरिज्म को मेंटेन करता है, या इवन जो टूरिस्ट गाइड्स होते हैं, दे ऑल्सो केम विद द गुड आइडियाज़ कि कैसे हम दिल्ली को और ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। तो उसके लिए दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट ने पहली बार ये इनिशिएटिव लिया है। सो वी आर थैंकफुल टू द सीएम रेखा गुप्ता जी एंड एज वेल एज कपिल मिश्रा जी, जो इस मिनिस्ट्री के मिनिस्टर हैं। सो उन दोनों का हम धन्यवाद करना चाहते हैं बहुत, क्योंकि एमडी हमारे इसके बीच इसमें इस पूरे इवेंट को उन्होंने हेल्ड किया, बिकॉज मिनिस्टर साहब किसी वजह से आ नहीं पाए।
First of all, I would like to convey my gratitude and thanks to all of you, because in short notice we were all present over here, especially my friend Ravi, IITO president, and lot of industry tycoons who are present over here, to name all inbound tour operators, DMCs, right, Sita, Pata, and Thai Hotel Restaurant Association, and all of you once again I welcome for this stakeholder conference.
First of all, ensuring monuments and tourism attractions should be accessible for the senior citizens, because they find a problem to access. जो personally disabled like that, for them also we have to make the proper arrangements. And of course, which he also mentioned, we should go for the night tourism. Is really important, especially youth is always being attracted for the night tourism, but should be with the good arrangements of the safety measures. And digital tourism, I will ask, because there must be a one platform where we will get tickets and information, AI-based guide, we will get it there. Because when you go to INA or any tourist place, we have to stand in a queue for a ticket. I mean, it doesn't matter it is a QR ticket or anything else, but you have to stand in a queue. So if you have an online system and one single app for all these government sites, so it will be good for any of them, that we will get the tickets from the home and we don't need to stand in a queue. Thank you.
Certain pointers have been cleared over here, be it the night tourism, be it the things related to film industry. Definitely people look forward to the content, and we all know how people were mad about going to Hazrat Nizamuddin when they saw Ranbir Kapoor playing guitar over there. So definitely film tourism gives a lot of boom to the locations in Delhi NCR. There are 2-3 pointers which I want to add, which is regarding the Yamuna tourism. Definitely it's gonna be taking certain time, but how the ghats can be incorporated into the tourism activities, be it the aartis conducted at Varanasi, or be it the boating facilities or the boating activities which can be conducted over there. So definitely it's gonna be taking some time, but yes, certain ghats have been established in Delhi.
Behind this interaction is again to get ideas from you, because we are aware of that you are the persons who are on the ground, who sell the Delhi in right strategy, in right markets. This is how, as a government, we believe that. So that's the reason why we have called you over here to get your suggestions, because even I'm sure my tourism department are not aware of that, food trails, lot of things, what is happening here. So that's the reason we call over here. And of course, this is a continuous learning process from our side, because tourism, we believe it spans across all the departments, because it is not one department business per se. So that's we firmly believe that the same objective. And to start with anecdote, that Delhi is a very complex administration, because this is the seat of the power, right? Capital of India, and multiplicity of agencies, multiplicity of departments, like you start with Delhi government, DDA, MCD, Delhi police, right? So many agencies, at the same time government of India also. These were all the agencies working in the same place. But at the same time, whenever any tourist comes, for him or her, it is completely required seamless experience. Because we think that as a government side, they are entering into Delhi government, they are entering into DDA, they are entering into MCD, they are entering into cantonment. Whereas other side of the story is, he or she entering into the capital of India. That's where exactly dichotomy starts. It's the initial point. So this is the structural issue basically. How do you solve that? First of all, and as a government, we are facilitators and enablers, more or less. And at the other hand, you are the people who are bringing the business. And if you are not incorporating your sessions, if you are not making you as a partner in this entire process, how it is going to solve the entire process, serve the purpose? So by taking this as an objective, first and foremost thing
for the street food, Chandni Chowk की अगर हम बात करें तो वहाँ का food, especially अभी के आजकल इंडिया में people comes, they always like to visit Chandni Chowk and they had a street food. So always people have a place to go. So if we go for such kind of food festival, street food festival, so I think this will be the great initiative because if you want to have, you have to go to the Chandni Chowk or Dahisar or somewhere like that. So वो अगर किसी एक under one roof we will get, so we will get a good. Yeah. Even up to Chandni Chowk is also revamped, बहुत अच्छा से वो बना दिया है. Yes, town hall also actually. Even that Saket, like City Walk, they organize on weekly food festival के बाद वहाँ पे they collaborate with the Khadi. So Khadi has done a ramp walk of their products. तो उनके साथ कोलैब करके भी Khadi के साथ, Khadi is also a government organization. तो उनके साथ कोलैब करके भी we can, people will be crazy about the अगर Khadi को लेकर.
Again, various verticals we need to have teams.
Yeah.
We need to work dedicated on those things.
And Pradhanmantri is promoting Khadi a lot. So उसमें youth is also so much crazy about the Khadi nowadays. So अगर हम उनके साथ कोलैब करके we arrange a fashion show of Khadi and as well as a street food. So there will be a very good batch of street food. Yeah. दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री रेखा गुप्ता जी और टूरिज्म के मिनिस्टर कपिल मिश्रा जी का सभी लोगों ने धन्यवाद किया इस तरह का इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए, क्योंकि अपने आप में ये इवेंट पहली बार ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ और जिसका बहुत उत्साह लोगों के अंदर देखने को मिला. सबने सजेशंस भी दिए हैं अपने, और आने वाले टाइम में ये सजेशंस, क्योंकि एमडी हमारा इसको टेकअप किया और उन्होंने एश्योरेंस दी है कि जो भी डूएबल चीज़ें हैं टूरिज्म को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए, वो सभी डूएबल चीज़ों को इसके अंदर इंक्लूड किया जाएगा ताकि बेहतरीन और बेहतर से बेहतर टूरिज्म दिल्ली का लोगों को मिले. स्पेशली जो बाहर से, इंडिया के बाहर से टूरिस्ट आता है, वो एक छाप लेके जाए, वो ये कहता हुआ जाए ये दिल्ली है मेरी जान. थैंक यू.